Hello everyone on YouTube. Good afternoon. How y'all doing? It's been an exciting day. My husband just purchased a new tractor. It's not a brand new tractor, but it's new to us. Yes. That's an attachment over there for it. Yes, we are excited. He even said that, we should just diss up what we started and redo it. I said, no, we're going to do that this fall. So this fall, we're going to be on it. Got the tractor on deck, y'all. We're going to be doing it big this fall. Yes, y'all, 3-point hitch. That's what it do. That's what it do. We doing something now. We can do something. So that's just our little update. Our new farming equipment. Not going to be used, but of course he's going to try to do something with it in the yard. I know you're not going to let it sit there. But for right now, we're not going to put it in the garden because we already have things already planted and coming up. So it's not going to be time to use that yet. But this fall, y'all, we're going to put this bad boy to work. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Y'all have a good day.